So guys, are you bored at school? If you are, then you've come to the right place. I'm going to show you guys how to make a flick football. It's very fun to play with. And yeah, let's just get into the tutorial. So guys, now I'm going to show you how to fold the paper football. So first of all, you need to hold the paper vertically and also use a thin paper because the folds are going to become the paper is going to become really thick while you're folding in the ending. So that's why I prefer thin paper, not A4 paper. So your first step is folding the paper in half just like this. Hold it vertically and do this. And then again continue holding it vertically and fold the paper in half once again. Make it flat. Okay. And now your next step is hold the page vertically and fold the model in half. And it might become a little difficult to fold, so you can just pull your finger like that on the edge and fold it. Okay, make it flat. And now we have a crease. I'll just mark it so it will be easier for you guys to see. So now you can see it. So now you have to take this right edge and fold it onto this crease, not the whole side, only the bottom half. So fold it just like this. Okay, like that, like how you do in a ninja star. And now you want to fold onto this fold like that. And now you'll see you have some excess paper, so you want to put that at the back, but there's still some excess paper. So what you want to do is take this edge and fold it till here, like this. Okay, and now fold it over here like that. Remove the fold. And as you can see, there's one pocket over here. If you notice, now you have to tuck this piece of paper into the pocket like that. And now you want to fold, and now there's some excess paper, so you want to fold it over this crease like that. And now if you flip it over, you'll find out there's excess paper, and fold it over again like that. Okay, make it nice and flat. Okay, now you can unfold it, not the entire thing, only till here. And then you want to fold this half, like you can see there's a crease. Just fold it down once again. And then remember that pocket which we used to tuck this edge in. We have to do the same with this. Tuck this piece of paper in the same place. And now another pocket will be formed over here. So this is excess paper again. So just fold this paper like that right above the other triangle. It might get thick, that's why I told you use this paper. And now you have to tuck this inside this pocket. Okay, just a second. Wow, yeah, this one is hard. If it gets thick, try to round it off over here and just put it on. Yeah. And there is your flick football. And now I'm going to show you some ways you can play with this. So guys, I'm gonna show you some ways to play with your flick football. So you have to keep your finger on the top of the football and just flick it like that. And you'll find out the technique for getting the football in the air. For some time it'll just stay on the ground, but after some practice you'll be able to lift it. This is a two-player game. Ask your friend to make a goal like this, and then you have to flick the football into the goal. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please stay tuned for more videos, and goodbye.